Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore GA4 conversions using Google Ads import step by step clearly. To restore GA4 conversions using Google Ads import, start by signing in to your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the Tools icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Conversions under the Measurement section. In the Conversions section, look for the blue plus button to create a new conversion action. Choose Import from the option. Select Google Analytics 4 properties from the import sources. You will see a list of GA4 properties linked to your Google Ads account. Select the relevant GA4 property you want to import conversions from. Next, you'll see a list of available conversion events from that property. Carefully review the conversion events listed. Choose the events that you wish to import into Google Ads. After making your selections, click on the Import button at the bottom right of the screen. You will be prompted to confirm your selections. Review your choices and confirm to proceed with the import process. Once the import is complete, your GA4 conversions will now appear in your Google Ads account. To verify the successful import, return to the Conversions section. Check the list to ensure your selected GA4 conversions are now listed. You can then set up additional settings for each conversion action as needed. Finally, allow some time for the data to populate in your Google Ads reports. This process will help you effectively track conversions across your platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.